I bought this 3-pack of IMPRESA replacement pre-filters for my Blueair Blue Pure 211 Plus, and they've worked perfectly. Each pre-filter is made from a soft, durable fabric that fits snugly over the air purifier. The slip-on, slip-off design makes it easy to remove and wash, which helps extend the life of the main filter. I really like that you can just toss them in the wash, let them dry, and they're ready to go again. The Lunar Rock Gray color looks modern and clean, blending nicely into any space. It doesn't show dust or wear easily either. These filters help catch larger particles like pet hair and lint before they reach the main filter, which keeps the air purifier running efficiently for longer. If you already own the Blueair 211 Plus, this 3-pack is a practical, easy to clean replacement option that keeps your purifier performing at its best.